Okay, this is a demo. I'm going to go through all the sketches that I want to demonstrate. I'm starting from this state, so I loaded a sketch with just two simple buttons. Everything is powered from the power supply. You can see the current here. The unit actually has a battery for the backup. So I'm going to start loading the first sketch, which is gauges. So I'm going on the gauges and I'm going to load gauges. Now, I'm not sure if it's visible. It's compiling and now it's loading. And you can see on the screen it's waiting for me to tap. I'll tap. Okay, that's just a demo screen. And those are the gauges. The first one is showing a random value, and the second one is actually tracking my finger. Now we are going to the second demo, which is the graph. I'll try to load it now. Going here, hit load. Okay, compiling and loading. Showing the unit. It did load. Now tap, tap, and tap. And this is a graph demo. It's a little bit jittery, but it's tracking my finger. Okay, we are going to the next demo, which is the application keyboard. I'm going to load it now. Here, click, compiling and loading, showing the unit. Okay, waiting for me to tap. And I'm going to type CDER and I'm going to clear. I'm not sure if it's possible. I'm not sure if the camera actually capable of showing the characters. I'll give it another try. Okay, now I'm going to the next demo, which is, if I'm looking now on the screen, is HoopTouch. This is actually a demo that I added to the suite to show the capability of 5 finger tracking, like multi-touch tracking, right? Touch, tap, tap, tap. As you can see a bunch of coordinates here, which are uninitialized. I'm not sure if it's focusing. Yeah, there we go. And now if I touch in one place, you will see how the coordinates are tracking. If I touch the second point, you will see a second coordinate. I'll put the third finger, you will see the third coordinate, and how those are actually changing. Right, so now I'm going to touch the button. Okay, now I'm going to the next one in the suite, which is the music demo. I'm going to hit compile and load, right, showing the unit, compiling and loading. Now I'm going to increase the volume. It's a tiny little speaker, so it won't be very loud. And what I'm going to do actually, I'm going to change it to piano. Piano, where is the piano? Piano. Here is the piano. And I'm going to cut the power supply because the fan of the power supply is quite noisy. So now the unit is actually running on batteries. Okay, I'm going to stay on battery and I'm going to switch to the next demo, which is and the last one actually in our sheet, which is the rotary dial. Loading now. I lost the focus. Now, right. So this is more like an old telephone. I'm trying to hold somehow the camera so I can. Let's hope it's going to focus. Yeah, it looks like it's in focus. I'm not sure if the sound is good enough. Whoop, lost the focus again. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, the power supply is switched off. I'm going to switch it back on. So the whole unit is running on battery now. I'm going to switch it on again. Right. And I'm going to connect it to the unit. Oh, sorry, wrong button. Wrong button again. Okay. So as you can see, it's taking about 320 something milliamps. About 80 milliamps they actually use to charge the battery. So anytime when the external power is actually available, the unit is going to try to store energy in the battery. In the same time, the numbers are a little bit misleading. While the unit is actually connected via USB with my laptop, it's taking more current than it should be. This won't be the case when the unit is going to be a final product, because it won't be connected. So I'm going to show you while I'm yanking the USB cable how the power goes a little bit lower. Just yank the cable. You can see the power went below 300 milliamps. About 80 milliamps they used for charging. So the unit actually takes below 200 milliamps if we exclude the charging, which is about a watt. Now I'm going to restart this rotary dial. And this is concluding our demo. Thank you.